Pick him up. Put him in your bag. Pick him up. Hayden, pick him up. Look. Put it in there. Put it in. Keep going.
Over here. Come here. Owen, over here. Owen, come here. You're losing yours.
Good job, buddy.
You have this whole corner. Get him. Pick him up. Get him. Good job.
Oh, we're so getting the idea of this. Good job, buddy. Put him in. Keep going. Keep going.
Get one.
Good job. Keep going. Keep going.
They're going to take your eggs, Bubba. Pick it up. Wait, come here. Come here, Owen. Oh, come here. Don't spill. Get that one. Put it in here. Get one. Come here. Owen.
Grandpa's doing a better job.
Here, get this. Get that one. Put it in. Put it in. How about this one? Can you get that one? Over here. Here's two.
Good job, buddy.
Another big one. Here's one. Get that one.
Oh, oh, oh. Let her have that one. Let her have one. Look for some more. Where's some more?
Okay, let's go get that one.
Oh, 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 Hayden. Hold on, hold
You can get that one, buddy. He's got money. You want to give him that one? Yeah, you can give him that one, Bubba.
on. Here, buddy.
Good job.
Good job, Hayden. Woo!